Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listeners, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today the lecture on change in entropy for temperature and pressure, which is chosen from BSc Part 2 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd titled Thermodynamics 2nd. Dear students, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous lecture, in which under two cases we were expressing our lecture by means of case 1, change in entropy for temperature and volume, and second one case I will deliver today by means of that is of change in entropy for temperature and pressure. Yesterday, dear student, once again I repeat the necessary fundamental equation and laws we discussed in the classroom, in which equation number 3 we derived, which is known as state function equation, fundamental state function equation for change in entropy, which is actually formed by using two different laws. First law of TD, which is mainly concerned the principle of conservation of energy. Second law of TD, which is mainly concerned the change in entropy, which is mainly concerned the change in entropy of the universe, which is continuously increases of the universe here. By the combination, by the that is a joint form, the equation number 3 yesterday I derived, it is known as fundamental state equation for change in entropy, and by using various condition and by using integral, that is of various terms and condition and boundary condition, equation number 9 we derived yesterday, which show the variation, the changes of that is of change in entropy with respect to temperature and volume for an ideal gas. It was that is of case first. I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Today I will deliver here the change in entropy in terms of temperature and that is of pressure here. Try to understand once again today's lecture, which is selected from BSc Part 2 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry and selected from Unit 2nd titled Thermodynamics 2nd. Yesterday I have derived here del S is equals to 2.303 CV log T2 upon T1 plus 2.303 NR log V2 upon V1, equation number 9, in which we focus on the by considering two important, that is of thermodynamic quantity here, that is of change in internal energy, which is mainly concerned the heat constant CV, heat capacity at constant volume here, equation number 9. In the same sense as we derive equation number 9 by using change in internal energy at constant volume at heat capacity CV, in the same condition by applying the necessary condition, integral condition, one can derive equation number 10 by using equation number 3, using change in enthalpy, that is of heat capacity at constant pressure here. Dear students, we know that heat capacity at constant volume CV is mainly concerned, is directly related to that is of change in internal energy. In the same sense, the heat capacity at constant pressure CP is directly concerned, is directly related to that is of change in enthalpy, and on the behalf of equation number 3 one can derive del S is equals to del H upon T minus V dP upon T by taking the appropriate limit. I mean to say that is of regarding temperature and that is of a pressure here dP upon P1 to P2 on solving here del S is equals to 2.303 Cp log T2 upon T1 plus 2.303 NAR log P1 upon P2. Dear student, equation number, you look at the blackboard here, equation number 9 shows the change in entropy for temperature and volume. For ideal case second, equation number 11 shows us, it gives the quantitative relationship between change in entropy with respect to temperature and that is of a pressure. These were the two important cases by means of temperature and volume, temperature and pressure. Now let us proceed slowly further. This unit, this topic also. Next one topic, change in entropy of an ideal gas for that is a different process here. Case first, that is of an isothermal process here. By the definition of isothermal process, the process which is occurring as the constant temperature, keeping temperature as a constant, in which T1 is equals to T. Now in this case, simple entropy, change in simple entropy del S, del S will be converted into that is of del ST, and T1 is equals to T2. In equation number 9 and equation number 11, both have, that is of temperature to have change in entropy here. When one can write, one can substitute T1 is equal to T2. The equation number from 9 and that is of 10. You know del S T 2.303 CV log T2 upon T2 plus 2.303 NRL log V2 upon V1. T2 will be cut by, that is of T2. Rest quantity becomes is equal to 0, and del S now converted into the form of an isothermal process. Del S T is equal to 2.303 NRL log V2 upon V1. Equation number 12 show the relation for, that is of isothermal process here. Next one case we proceed in this unit change in entropy in, that is of various process here. In isobaric process, once again to define isobaric process which occurs at constant pressure here. In this case we will put down here. We will put down here by assuming P1 is equals to P2. In this case del S P2 from equation number 11 here. You know del S will be converted into del SP 2.303 Cp log T2 upon T1. Equation number 14 shows the relation change in entropy in isobaric process here. Next one case we discuss here, that is of case 3, that is of in isochoric process here. By condition, isochoric process is the process which occur at, that is of constant volume here. Such process is known as isochoric process here. From equation number 9, you know from equation number 9 we substitute this value V1 is equals to V2 del S. Normal change in entropy will be converted into, that is of del SV is equals to 2.303 CV log, that is of T2 upon T1. In these various isobaric process, isochoric process, and isothermal process, we discussed and derived the necessary equation for changing in entropy for ideal gas in various forms here. Dear student, once again the regarding numerical and as per concern numerical based on these 3, 4 or 5, that is of conditions, we will solve the numerical incoming timings here. Once again I repeat here, change in entropy for the determination of various values regarding temperature, pressure and volume under 2 important conditions. Change in entropy, temperature and volume shows equation number 9, and change in entropy for ideal gas for temperature and pressure shows, that is equation number 11. Further particular specific process we have also derived here, and the regarding numerical, all the numerical based on these 3 or 4 conditions, on these 4 or 5 conditions or 4 or 5, that is of process here, we will derive numerical incoming timings here. Thank you very much.